bill management system. This is the fuel card.
Yeah.
I insert the card.
欢迎光临。
You say welcome.
Okay.
In this case, I can preset the amount.
Okay.
Let's we say 15. Let's we say 15.
That's 2 liter 6.
No, this is unit price.
Unit price, okay.
2.6 per liter.
Per liter, okay.
So we start.
此油枪加注0号柴
We
油，
start.
泵打体归零，请确认。
15. Stop.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now we get 50.
Okay, then this is 5 liter 0.7.
Yes, yes. Okay, look this one. 50. This Chinese is
unpaid.
unpaid.
Okay.
So please choose the payment mode. WeChat or Alipay. For example, you choose the WeChat and scan. I scan. After I scan, look, I just confirm the amount come.
Okay.
15, 15, 15. I just,
But
yes.
it's paid.
And then you put my password.
Yeah.
Okay, payment complete.
Yeah.
Payment complete.
Yeah.
See. Now see, it changed.
Yes.
Payment complete.
Yes.
Payment complete.